Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to share a channel on WhatsApp. Whether you want to invite friends to join a fascinating group or share important updates, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed on your Android device. Once you're ready, open the app and head to your chat list. Here, you'll see all your conversations lined up, but today we'll be focusing on channels. Now, find the channel you want to share. This could be a news channel, a community group, or any other channel that you find interesting. Tap to open the desired channel and take a moment to check out its content. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. These are your gateway to more options. Tap on those 3 dots to proceed. After tapping, a menu will pop up with various options for you to choose from. What you want to select now is Share. This option will allow you to send the channel link directly to your friends or groups on WhatsApp. Once you tap on Share, you'll be taken to a list of your contacts. Here, you can choose the person or group you want to share the channel with. You might also want to include a short message to let them know why you're sharing this channel or what they can expect to find there. After selecting your recipients and adding any message you wish, just hit that send button, and just like that, you've successfully shared a channel on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.